Give me the main event. Fifth, this is Noisy Boy, an original Top Machine robot. He was a World Robot League boxer. Come on.
You want to fight Marcus? 50,000 guaranteed. Let me tell you something. 50. It's all.
Listen, no. We're serious.
Give me a second.
We should take an undercard fight, make a little cash, and get the hell out of here.
First, there is no we. Second, he's gonna crush Midas, and I'm gonna make some real cash. We'll take Midas.